Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about KTM 390 Adventure 2025 motorcycle. The KTM 390 Adventure 2025 is engineered for those who seek the thrill of exploration, whether on paved roads or untamed trails. It combines lightweight agility with rugged durability, making it a versatile machine for any terrain. Built with KTM's racing DNA, it offers cutting-edge technology, advanced rider aids, and a powerful engine designed for adventure. At its core, the KTM 390 Adventure 2025 is powered by a 373cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that delivers an impressive balance of power and efficiency. The refined ride-by-wire throttle system ensures smooth and precise control, while improved fuel mapping enhances low-end torque, making technical riding easier. Whether climbing steep inclines or cruising at highway speeds, this engine provides consistent performance. The trellis frame is a highlight of the design, offering a perfect blend of rigidity and flexibility. This results in precise handling, allowing riders to navigate sharp corners and rough terrain with confidence. The bike's lightweight nature makes it easy to control, even for less experienced adventure riders. Suspension plays a crucial role in adventure riding, and the KTM 390 Adventure 2025 does not disappoint. The WP Apex suspension system provides long travel, absorbing bumps and obstacles effortlessly. Adjustable front and rear suspension settings allow riders to fine-tune their setup for different riding conditions, ensuring maximum comfort and control. A high-tech electronics package sets this model apart, featuring lean-sensitive traction control, cornering ABS, and multiple ride modes. The off-road mode allows controlled rear-wheel slip, making it easier to tackle loose surfaces like sand and gravel. The quickshifter enables seamless gear changes, reducing strain on the rider during long journeys. A redesigned TFT display offers improved visibility, even in direct sunlight. With smartphone connectivity, riders can access navigation, music, and calls without taking their hands off the handlebars. The intuitive interface ensures a distraction-free riding experience. Ergonomics have been refined for all-day riding comfort. The adjustable seat height accommodates different rider sizes, while the wide handlebars and spacious footpegs provide stability. Whether seated or standing on the pegs during off-road sections, the riding position remains natural and fatigue-free. A larger fuel tank extends the bike's range, allowing for longer adventures without frequent refueling stops. The redesigned windscreen offers better wind protection, reducing fatigue on high-speed stretches. These enhancements make the KTM 390 Adventure 2025 even more suited for long-distance travel. Durability has been a key focus in the design. A reinforced skid plate protects the engine from rocks and debris, while the high-mounted exhaust prevents water ingress during river crossings. The spoked wheels with tubeless tires offer superior strength, capable of handling the toughest trails. Braking performance is top-tier, thanks to a high-quality by-Bree braking system. The cornering ABS ensures safe stopping power, even when leaning into turns. Riders can deactivate rear-wheel ABS in off-road mode, allowing for controlled slides when navigating tricky terrain. LED lighting enhances visibility in all conditions. Adaptive headlights adjust based on lean angle, ensuring better illumination during night rides. Integrated LED turn signals and a high-mounted rear light improve visibility to other road users. The KTM 390 Adventure 2025 is highly customizable, with a vast selection of KTM power parts available. Riders can equip their bike with luggage racks, auxiliary lights, crash guards, and upgraded seats, tailoring it to their specific adventure needs. A rally-style trip computer provides real-time performance data, including altitude, fuel consumption, and ride statistics. This feature keeps riders informed and helps them plan their journey efficiently. A major upgrade for 2025 is the inclusion of adaptive cruise control, which enhances touring comfort. This system automatically adjusts speed based on traffic conditions, reducing rider fatigue on long highway stretches. Heat management has been improved, with an advanced cooling system that maintains optimal engine temperature in extreme environments. Whether riding in desert heat or freezing mountain conditions, the engine remains consistent and reliable. For riders who enjoy nighttime adventures, the enhanced LED lighting system offers superior brightness. Cornering lights provide better illumination through turns, making night riding safer and more enjoyable. The KTM 390 Adventure 2025 is designed for both new and experienced riders. Its lightweight nature and manageable power make it accessible, while its advanced features and robust build ensure it meets the demands of seasoned adventurers. Environmental responsibility is a priority, with the Euro 6 compliant engine offering lower emissions and improved fuel efficiency. This ensures riders can explore further while minimizing their environmental impact. High ground clearance and an optimized frame geometry improve off-road performance, making the bike more capable on rough terrain. The suspension has been further refined, offering better control and feedback. A high-performance lithium-ion battery reduces overall weight while ensuring reliable ignition in all conditions. The upgraded charging system provides quicker recharges, keeping riders on the move. The new color options and graphics give the KTM 390 Adventure 2025 a bold, aggressive look. Inspired by KTM's rally heritage, the styling reflects its performance-driven nature while maintaining durability against harsh riding conditions. Connectivity is another standout feature, with the KTM MyRide app offering real-time traffic updates, weather forecasts, and navigation assistance. Riders can plan their routes more effectively, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. The KTM 390 Adventure 2025 continues to push the boundaries of lightweight adventure motorcycles. It is built for riders who refuse to be limited by terrain, offering the perfect combination of power, control, and innovation. With strong dealer support and an extensive range of aftermarket options, KTM ensures riders can maintain and upgrade their bikes with ease. The 390 Adventure 2025 is designed to last, providing reliability and durability for years of exploration. From urban commuting to deep off-road exploration, the KTM 390 Adventure 2025 is ready for any challenge. Its combination of cutting-edge technology, rugged construction, and rider-focused design makes it the ultimate tool for adventure. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.